Are you looking for Hellcat performance, but you're on a neon budget? While you may not get 707 horsepower out of your Hemi-powered Mopar, with a little help from Nitrous Oxide Systems, you can add up to 250 rear-wheel horsepower without breaking the bank. NOS offers complete nitrous kits for a variety of Mopars, powered by the popular 3rd Gen Hemi engine. Our plate-only option, part number 15184 NOS, will work on all Gen 3 Hemis, utilizing the 80mm throttle body. For a complete listing of available applications, visit our website and search the NOS brand tab. Our complete kit, part number 05184 NOS, provides everything that you'll need to install the extra power that you crave. We include our iconic 10-pound NOS Blue nitrous bottle, as well as all the brackets, hoses, and fittings needed for a clean and complete installation. What makes the NOS kit unique from the competition is the inclusion of our NOS 2-stage mini progressive controller. This controller acts as a window switch, which only allows the nitrous to be activated based on an RPM and throttle opening threshold. This ensures there will be no unintentional activation if the rev limiter or traction control are engaged. The progressive controller is also crucial in supplying a smooth power delivery, especially when used with today's factory returnless style fuel systems. You'll also get our pre-assembled black anodized aluminum nitrous plate, extended length mounting screws, a solenoid bracket, and 8 stainless steel NOS jets that can deliver dyno-tested power levels of 75, 100, 125, and 150 rear-wheel horsepower. This system is capable of supporting up to 250 horsepower, but keep in mind, power levels exceeding 150 rear-wheel horsepower may require an upgrade to your fuel system or engine internals. Always read and follow the manufacturer's directions carefully. Thanks for watching. To find out more about our nitrous kits for your Mopar, visit our website at nosnitrous.com.